Welcome to Merge Ready, I'm Matt. Let's look at what's landing in October 2025. High level first, then why it matters. Python 3.14 ships finally on October 17th. Ubuntu 25.10 releases on October 9th. Jenkins LTS baseline moves mid-October. GitLab 18.5 lands October 16th. GitHub trims events API payloads on October 17th, and Github Models drops in Azure endpoints October 17th. Node 24 enters LTS this October, and Microsoft ends support for old servers in October 14th. Now impact. Python 3.14 is stable. Start CI runs on 3.14, rebuild wills and smoke test prod images. Ubuntu 25.10 is GA. Refresh base images, pin repos and verify libc and kernel bumps don't regress your fleets. Jenkins LTS baseline moves in mid-October. Plan a maintenance window, update controllers and run plugin compatibility checks before rollout. GitLab 18.5 releases October 16th. If you're self-managed, prep backups, review deprecations and stage the upgrade path. GitHub Events API gets smaller payloads on October 7th. If your ingest relies on removed fields, swap to the REST reads for those details before cutover. GitHub Models removes the Azure endpoint on October 17th. If you call models through Azure URLs, migrate clients to the current GitHub endpoint. Node 24 enters long-term support this month. Begin uplifting CI, containers and functions to 24 LTS. Then deprecate older lines. Microsoft dates. Azure DevOps Server 2020 ends mainstream support October 14th. Team Foundation Server 2015 hits end of support the same day. If you're on-prem, plan upgrades or a migration. Quick wins. Stage Python and Ubuntu base image refreshes. Book your Jenkins LTS window and schedule your GitLab 18.5 upgrade. Patch API clients for GitHub changes. Kick off Node 24 LTS adoption. And that's October. Until next time, stay merge ready.